The time now, 12 noon on this Monday afternoon, December 9th, 2013. Time now for the Weather Magician, PJ Wiggins. The Noontime Report. Monday afternoon, December 9th, 2013. Good afternoon, everybody. Our current conditions at 12 noon in North Massachusetts got a temperature of 39 degrees and a temperature of light rain, fog and mist with a humidity 93%. Wind speed northeast about 3 miles per hour. Barometer 3.08 inches, about 37 degrees, and a visibility of 1.5 miles per hour. Okay, let us take a look at our radar scope. Shows a couple of batches of rain showers on the south shore and stretching out into the Cape Islands and stretching up through Boston and stretching up into the North Shore area, and a couple of batches of rain showers in southeastern Rhode Island, southern Rhode Island, a couple batches of rain showers in northwestern Rhode Island, Burrillville, another batch of rain showers in east central Connecticut, and the rain showers will extend straight down through the Atlantic coast, down for southern Jersey, down through Delaware, down through Baltimore, Annapolis, and DC, and stretching down through eastern shores of Maryland, Virginia, and then stretching down through the western Carolinas, down through northern Georgia, and stretching on central Alabama, and then southeastern Alabama, down for western portions of Florida. A couple of batches of rain showers off the Carolina and Georgia and Florida coastline here.
It's going to be working along the same system that is impacting us now. The northern fringe of it working its way.
A couple of batches of sleet pelts off the Maine coastline here.
Well, we've got some a little bit of snow and sleet to the north up in the Merrimack Valley, and a few patches of some.
A couple of batches of sleet pelts in the Merrimack Valley when Hudson stretches toward Acton and Westford, and the sleet and snow showers stretching from the Merrimack Valley from Fitchburg, Wilmsford down for Lowell, Lawrence down to Haverhill. And sleet and snow patches stretching on the southern New Hampshire and stretching
about 5 o'clock this afternoon, but there still could be a patch
through Maine, New Hampshire, and Vermont, and stretching on up into Quebec and on the western portions of New Brunswick.
There still could be a few icy areas, even into the early.
A couple of batches of snow showers in western and eastern portions of
commute as the temperatures are
Nova Scotia.
Is winding down, but there could be a
couple of batches of snow showers in western and eastern portions of Prince Edward Island, and the snow showers extend through Quebec, stretching down through Ontario, stretching down through eastern UP, Michigan, stretching down through western portions of Michigan, down through northern Indiana, down through France, south of the Chicago area with some snow showers there.
Let's see what the conditions are.
Rain and sleet and snow pelts in the eastern Ontario, down for western New York. A couple of batches of sleet and snow showers around the Pittsburgh area and Pennsylvania.
Traffic moving along fairly well. The roads are a little wet. You can see
a couple of batches of snow flurries in central Missouri, stretching down for southern Kansas, down for northern Oklahoma, down for northern Texas Panhandle, and stretching down for central portions of New Mexico here.
It wasn't the amount of snow that fell.
And a couple of batches of snow showers in northern Idaho, down for Montana, down for southern portions of Saskatchewan, stretching down for Alberta, down for eastern portions of British Columbia, down for snow showers in southern Ontario. Rain and snow showers off the western Washington and stretching on northwestern Oregon. George Washington, good evening. 13 degrees, good morning with clear skies on 13 degrees here. And West River, Montana, 2 degrees with broken clouds. Okay, let's take a look at our satellite open. It shows
What can you expect?
patches of clouds from eastern Texas and Oklahoma down to eastern Mexico, stretching the Gulf states and down through the southeastern states and stretching down the Great Lakes and Atlantic seaboard and stretching down to the eastern and Atlantic Canada from Quebec down through Nova Scotia down through New Brunswick, and the clouds stretching from the Ontario and the eastern Great Lakes. And another batch of clouds covering northern Idaho and northern Wyoming, down from Montana, down from western Dakotas, stretching down to western Manitoba, down through southern Saskatchewan, down through Alberta, down through British Columbia, and stretching in eastern Washington, Oregon, and down to northern Idaho. Batch of clouds off the southern California coastline here. Okay, let us take a look. The latest on Tropical Cyclone Matty here over seas in India.
Breaking news and MRI confirming the worst. Patriot star Rob Gronkowski is done for the season.
Tropical Cyclone Matty moving 3 miles per hour, 20 degrees, wind speed 70 to 85. Going to stretch to the north and then it's going to stretch down to the southwest.
Live in the newsroom now. Mike, the
Gonna make the landfall in eastern India.
Yeah, the exact same tough road that Tom Brady faced 5 years ago. A torn ACL and a torn MCL.
Okay, let's take a look at our map situation. High pressure centered in eastern Quebec and in Nova Scotia.
Undergoing
And
surgeries this past offseason on his arm and back. Injury occurred on this completion.
and from high pressure and
Gronkowski and
high pressure centered in eastern Idaho, central Nevada, and western Nebraska and Kansas. There.
actually hear Gronkowski
And
in agony.
station
The pain and
cold front from
after laying on
Alberta and a warm front for western Saskatchewan and from Montana and Wyoming. Pink front from central Ontario down through.
and faces about
Warm front in eastern Ontario down for southern Quebec down for northeastern New York and western Vermont. And a cold front from Ontario, central western New York and for Pennsylvania down for the Virginias. Down for Western Carolina, down for Georgia, down for Gulf States, down for Gulf of Mexico, down for Northern Mexico, down for Western New Mexico. Here. And a cold front off the Carolinas and stretching down to Virginias, and warm front stretching up for the Atlantic with a low pressure centering out the Jersey coastline. Here.
the 24-year-old Gronkowski has suffered a substantial
And a
injury.
cold front with a pink front stretching off the Baja coast of Mexico and off Southern California. 37 degrees of the temperature out in Boston, 34 out in Washington, 44 out in
back in court this
Atlanta, 81 in Miami, 50 out in Brownsville, 32 in Dallas, 7 in Kansas City, 19 in Chicago, 3 below in Minneapolis, 1 above in Denver, 4 above in Salt Lake, 12 in Great Falls, 26 in Seattle, 37 in San Francisco, and 41 out in Los Angeles. And we're going to get some snowfall tomorrow. 0 to 1 inches in Boston and points north
asking
and west of the city,
stay away as the waiting.
and stretching out through central and western Massachusetts. 1 to 3 inches from Boston and points south of the Pike, from Boston and points south,
And I'll never lose hope.
and stretching in Cape Downs and all of Rhode Island and some all of Connecticut. Here.
Speaking out, Commissioner
So-
Randy Price reports that Xenia Hernandez says these past 2 months.
Hazardous weather outlook. Here.
I want to see you again, Abby.
In her first interview,
Day 1 today and tonight. Probably for widespread hazardous weather is low this time. Days 2 for 7, Tuesday for Sunday. There is low to moderate probability that winter weather advisories may be needed on Tuesday due to snowfall.
3 weeks.
Okay, this afternoon, 7-day forecast goes like this. But this afternoon, showers mainly before 3 p.m. High near 41 degrees. Light and variable wind becoming northwest about 6 miles per hour. Chance precipitation is 9%. New precipitation amount of less than a 10 inch possible. Tonight, patchy fog before 10 p.m. Otherwise, mostly clouds got low and 30 degrees. West wind about 3 to 6 miles per hour.
mailed to her mom,
Tuesday, snow likely mainly before noon. Mostly clouds are high near 35 degrees. West wind about 5 to 7 miles per hour. Chance precipitation is 60%. New precipitation amounts of snow 1 to 3 inches possible. Tuesday night, mostly clouds, then gradually becoming mostly clear skies, low on 23 degrees, west wind about 6 to 8 miles per hour. Wednesday, sunny skies high near 33 degrees, west wind about 8 to 13 miles per hour, with gusts at 29 miles per hour. Wednesday night, mostly clouds, low on 20 degrees. Thursday, both sunny skies high near 27 degrees. Thursday night, mostly clear skies, low on 14 degrees. Friday, both sunny skies high near 30 degrees. Friday
Very hard.
night, part clouds low on 16 degrees. Saturday, part sunny skies high near 32 degrees. Saturday night, a chance of snow showers. Most clouds low on 19 degrees. Chance precipitation is 30%. Sunday, most clouds high near 32 degrees.
I'll never.
Peters, what a phrase of the day.
And I'll never lose hope.
A cloudy day and a showery day in town. This is PJ Wednesday. We have a good
They haven't released any post
day with a good positive attitude. Here, see it fine.
because they're concerned about copycat